Ta-da! This, as you know, is my week-over-old brand new Insta360 X5. It was very expensive, almost £1,000. And look, made in China. This I cannot put. So now it's going to the bin because that's how they make it. They are saying about the quality, but it's not quality. It's mass production. Look, it's not broken. I tried to put it in. It literally fall down. It wasn't me doing something. It fallen down itself, as you can see. You see? So the product is not very good, and they are recommending underwater and everything. If plastics for charging, you know, like this little platform is falling down like that, it's not good. For £1,000, no. You go figure.